Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. I, Miss Sabra, again welcome you to lecture number 3 of Maths for class 2. Before starting our today's lecture, let's take a quick preview of the last lecture. In previous lecture, we have covered these topics: 3-digit place value, an activity of ring digit, expanded form, and write-in words. Before starting our lecture, let's see what we will learn today. We will learn about predecessor, successor, greater than and less than, ascending order and descending order. Now we are moving to our first topic, successor and predecessor. What is successor? The number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. स्टूडेंट्स सक्सेसर क्या है? सक्सेसर वो नंबर है जो किसी भी नंबर के फौरन बाद आता है, और you can say in simple words that in successor we can add 1 to the given number to get a new number. Let's for example, if the number is n and mean any number, what I do is to add plus 1 to get new number. डिड यू गेट माई पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स? अगर हम किसी भी दिए हुए नंबर में 1 प्लस करेंगे तो हमें उस नंबर का सक्सेसर मिल जाएगा. लेट मी गिव यू सम मोर एग्जाम्पल. व्हाट इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ 6? इफ वी एड 1 into 6 which is equal to 7. So the successor of 6 is 7. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने 6 का सक्सेसर मालूम करने के लिए क्या किया? यस, हमने 6 में यानी नंबर में 1 को प्लस किया. लेट्स फाइंड आउट द सक्सेसर ऑफ 29. यस, सक्सेसर ऑफ 29 विल बी 29 plus 1, that is equal to 30. One more example we will take to find out the successor of 101. Successor of 101 will be 101 plus 1, which is 102. Anytime, if it is given to find the successor of any number, just you need to add 1. Students, remember one thing. आपको कभी भी किसी नंबर का सक्सेसर मालूम करना हो तो आपने सिर्फ दिए हुए नंबर में 1 को प्लस करना है. Now let's move to predecessor. What is predecessor? The number that comes just before any number is called its predecessor. Students, predecessor क्या है? predecessor mean वो नंबर जो किसी भी नंबर से फौरन पहले आए. Let me tell you how to find predecessor of a number with some examples. If the number is n, again n mean any number, then the predecessor of number is n minus 1. To find predecessor of any given number, you have to subtract minus 1 from the given number. स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीडिसेसर मालूम करने के लिए हम दिए हुए नंबर से 1 को माइनस करते हैं. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ 6. व्हाट इज द प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ 6? स्टूडेंट्स, हम 6 का प्रीडिसेसर मालूम करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? यस, हम 6 में से 1 को माइनस करेंगे तो हमें 6 का प्रीडिसेसर 5 मिलेगा. लेट्स सी वन मोर अनदर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ 29. व्हाट इज द प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ 29? यस, इट विल बी 29 minus 1, that is 28. So the predecessor of 29 is 28. In this way, we can find the successor and predecessor of any number. Remember, successor means it is one more than the number. Predecessor means it is one less than the number. Let's do an activity with me. In this activity, you have to find out the successor and predecessor of given number. Let's see what number we have. If we have number 79, so what is the successor of 79? Yes, it will be 80. And what is predecessor of 79? Very good. It will be 78. If we have number 206, so what will be successor of 206? Yes, the successor of 206 will be 207 and predecessor will come 205. ओके स्टूडेंट्स क्विक अब हमारे पास नंबर 529 है तो उसका सक्सेसर क्या होगा यस 529 का सक्सेसर 530 होगा क्योंकि उसमें हमने 1 को प्लस किया और 529 का प्रीडिसेसर क्या होगा यस इट विल बी 528 in the last number what is the successor of 714 yes student very good 714 का सक्सेसर 715 होगा और उसका प्रीडिसेसर 713 होगा Let's move to our new topic greater than, less than and equals to. Do you remember students what these symbols mean? Yes, this is the less than symbol. And what about this symbol students? Yes, this is the greater than symbol. And this symbol is called equal to symbol. These symbols are comparison symbols. In previous class 1, you learned already how to compare the numbers. Let's review that today. Remember, for greater than and less than symbols, the wide open mouth like a hungry crocodile always wants to eat a large number. For example, 17 is greater than 12 and 12 is less than 17. Students, remember, crocodile का माउथ जिस साइड ओपन होगा वो ग्रेटर नंबर होगा और अगर क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ अपोजिट होगा तो वो लेस देन नंबर को शो करेगा लेट्स सी हाउ टू कंपेयर और हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द ग्रेटर नंबर फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव टू नंबर्स 342 and 263 so we first look at the digit in the hundreds place 342 has 3 in the hundreds place 263 has 2 in the hundreds place 3 is greater than 2 so we say that 342 is greater than 263 for the same number we can also say that 263 is less than 342 now let's see two more numbers both numbers have 5 in the hundreds place are the same so we have to move the tens place the top number has 6 in the tens place and the bottom number has 4 in the tens place 6 is greater than 4 so we say that 562 is greater than 543 or we can also say that 543 is less than 562. Now again let's see one more example. In these three digit numbers, let's see at the digits in the hundreds place. See, it's the same for both the numbers. So we now look at the digits in the tens place. Oh, both the numbers have 8 in the tens place. Now, what do we do, students? Of course, we look at the digits in the units place. In 386, the digit in the unit place is 6 and 389 has 9 in the unit place. 6 is smaller than 9. So 386 is smaller than the 389. So the number 389 is greater than the 386. Remember students, हम जब भी नंबर्स को कंपेयर करते हैं, जब भी नंबर्स का एक दूसरे के साथ मवाजना करते हैं, तो इसके लिए हम सबसे पहले हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू को देखते हैं. अगर हमारे पास 2 डिजिट नंबर होगा तो उसके लिए हम 10th प्लेस वैल्यू को पहले देखेंगे. अगर हमारे पास 3 डिजिट नंबर होगा तो हम 100th प्लेस वैल्यू के नंबर को देखेंगे. ठीक, उसके बाद हम टेंथ्स की तरफ मूव करेंगे और टेंथ्स के बाद हम यूनिट की तरफ मूव करेंगे. फ्रॉम दिस मेथड वी कैन easily find out the greater and smaller numbers. I hope you all have understood very well. Now let's do an activity of greater than, less than and equals to. In this activity you have to put the sign of greater than, less than and equals to in the box. Look at number 1. Which number is greater, 652 or 249? What we have to do for these students? Very good. First, we check the digit in the hundreds place. Oh, yes, 6 is bigger than 2. So, the number 652 is bigger than 249. So, we put the greater than sign. In number 2, students, who wants to tell me which sign comes in the box? Oh, नंबर 2 में तो 100 प्लेस सेम है, तो हम 10 डिजिट्स को देखेंगे. सो 9 is bigger than 6. So 793 is bigger than 765. In number 3, hundreds और टेंथ प्लेस दोनों के नंबर सेम हैं. So we move to check unit place. Yes, we got it. 436 is bigger than 432. In the last, we check all 3 digits by on its respective place. Oh, all digits are same. So, which sign comes in the box? Yes, students, जब सारे नंबर सेम होते हैं तो हम इक्वल्स टू का साइन लगाते हैं. Now, we are moving to our last topic, ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the number or anything from the smallest to the largest. Students, for your understanding, I am giving you a trick to remember the meaning of ascending. Ascending word starts with the letter A, and we also take the meaning from A is ahead. Ahead means in Urdu आगे जाना, वन स्टेप मूव करना. यानी ascending का मतलब आगे जाना, ऊपर जाना है. इससे अब क्या होगा कि आप ascending और descending में कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे. We can also take an example of stairs. जैसे हम ऊपर जाने के लिए स्टेयर यूज करते हैं, बिल्कुल इसी तरह हम ascending में नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं. मीन्स छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर की तरफ. ओके, लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6. For more understanding, let's arrange these numbers in ascending order: 23, 46, 18, 37. Now students, recall your previous topic, greater than and less than. What we did to recognize the smaller number? Yes, we saw the 10th number first. Can you see the smallest 10 number? Right, it's 1. So we take 18 number as the smallest number. Now, tell me the number little bigger than 18. Yes, it's 23. Okay, tell me the next bigger number than 23. Don't forget to see the 10th number. Yes, it's 37. And the last biggest number is 46. So, we have arranged these numbers in ascending order like this: 18, 23, 37, 46. Now, see the next example. 641. 236, 560, 632. Can you tell me what is the smallest hundredth number? Yes, it's 2. So the number which comes on first is 236. Now, tell me the little bigger number than 236. Yes, it's 5. So the number 560 comes in second place. Now, did you notice something? There are two numbers left, 641 and 632. And both hundred numbers are same. That is 6. Now, what we will do, students? Yes, if the hundredth number are same, we will see the tenth number. Who tells me which is the smallest tenth number between 641 and 632? Yes, it's 3 in 632. So we can write 632 in third place. And the last biggest number is 641. We can write number in ascending order like this: 236, 560, 632 and 641. See the next example. This is all about ascending order. 236, moving to number from smallest to biggest. 632. Can you tell me what is the smallest hundredth number? Yes, it's 2. So the number which come on first is 236. Now tell me the little bigger number than 236. Yes, it's 5. So the number 560 come in the second place. Now, did you notice something? There are two numbers left, 641 and 632. And both hundredth numbers are same. That is 6. Now, what we will do, students? Yes, if the hundredth number are same, we will see the tenth number. Who tells me which is the smallest tenth number between 641 and 632? Very good. It's 3 in 632. So we can write 632 in third place and the last bigger number is 641. Numbers in ascending order it can be written like this: 236, 560, 632 and 641. Now let's see what is descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers or anything from the largest to the smallest. Remember, student, descending and down both start with the letter D. Numbers in descending order means go down. We can also take an example of stairs for descending order. स्टूडेंट्स डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम हमेशा ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आते हैं, मीन्स बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर की तरफ मूव करते हैं, लाइक 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see some examples. 72, 43, 68 and 22. Come on, students. Can you find out which is the biggest tens number here? Yes, it's 7. So the first number of descending order is 72. The next you have to find out little smaller than 72. Can you find out what number is this? Yes, it's 68. Very good. Now, next smaller than 72 and 68? Yes, it's 43. Did you notice one thing? We are moving down. So, the tenth number must go smaller. And the last smallest number is, very good, it's 22. So, here we arrange numbers in descending order like this: 72, 68, let's move to another 43, example. 22, 236, 741, 874, 396. Come on, students, let's arrange it in descending order. All of you look at the hundredth number. Tell me which is the biggest number? Yes, it's 8. So the biggest number is 874. Next smaller number is 741. Yes, next smaller number is 396. And the last smallest number is 236. Very good. So the arrangement of numbers in descending order is 874, 741, 396, 236. It's a review time. Let's take a review of today's lecture. We have learned about predecessor, successor, greater than and less than, and ascending and descending order. I hope you all understood all the topics related to our first chapter 2 and 3 digit numbers. Are you all ready, students, for your homework? Okay, now in question number 1, you have to find out the successor and predecessor of given number. And in question number 2, you have to insert the symbol greater than, less than and equal to in the box. Number 3, you have to put these numbers in ascending order. In question number 4, you have to put these numbers in descending order. Question number 5, you have to write the numbers that comes before, after and between. After this, you have to complete book pages in book from 9 till 14. Keep practicing all work of the chapter. Complete your home assignment and book work on time. Looking forward to see you soon for the next chapter. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.